Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Libra age sign for the next week. So let's see. This is weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your messages. Libra. 7 of Wands. Temperance. Knight of Pentacles, yeah. I think patience and balance is needed in this connection, definitely. There is no balance in this connection right now because the person approaching the other person, the energy is very slow because Knight of Pentacles here. Because the other person have to be patient and balanced. And 7 of Wands, definitely one person in this connection not willing to give up, even though there are obstacles in this connection. It could be you or your person. Yeah, 9 of Pentacles. One card is fell down, that is 8 of Swords. So 8 of Swords means one person is stuck. 2 of Pentacles, yeah. I think one person in this connection is stand by their power, definitely 9 of Pentacles. 8 of Swords, definitely one person is stuck right now. They are juggling between things, they don't know what action they have to make, and definitely they are stuck. 8 of Swords, they are not taking any action, one person in this connection. 4 of Pentacles, yes, they are holding back their feelings. It could be your person. Page of Cups. The Sun. For some it could be third party situation, children's involved also. Yeah, one person is holding back their feelings. I think some communication, some messages you or your person will get. I think you are going to be message your person, or your message your person will going to be message you. Definitely Page of Cups, some communication is going to be happen between both of you. Let's see some more. 5 of Swords, some disagreements between both of you. Judgment. Emperor, yeah, one person in this connection is very committed, very loyal, but another person is right now stuck. They are juggling between things, that's why patience and balance is needed in this connection. Yeah, 5 of Swords, definitely there are some disagreements between both of you. Judgment, someone is making a major decision in this connection. So let's see your person energy little bit, then we will see the clear message about. Yeah, the burden, 6 of Swords, it could be long distance relationship also. Your person, moment to moment, yeah. I think 2 of Pentacles 2 times. I think the juggling person in this connection is your person. Exhaustion, yeah, 9 of Wands, definitely they are guarded up. They are very exalted also. Abundance, King of Pentacles. And the Creator. Right now your person may be in some celebration. For some it could be third party situation. Definitely your person want to create something in their life. Right now they are busy, that's why they are juggling between things, because they are juggling between career and you. That's why they are stuck right now. They want to create their career. Abundance, yes, they right now they are concentrating on their career movement. That's why they are not taking any decision. They are exhausted thinking about both of you, and both means career and you. That's why they are not taking any action. There are some disagreements, that's why they are not expressing their feelings to you. 4 of Pentacles. For some it could be third party situation, children's also involved. I think the one person who is committed and who is loyal in this connection is you, Libra. Definitely I think you are going to be make some decisions regarding this. I think you are choosing yourself instead of your person, because you have also life. Definitely patience and balance. I think they will come towards you, but after their career settlement, because Knight of Pentacles is here, but it will take so much time. It's up to you what to do, what not to do. Totality under the deck, definitely 5 of Wands, 5 of Wands. This is also fighting. So Libra, definitely your person right now juggling between you and their career, whatever. For some it could be third party also. You have to stand by your power. 9 of Pentacles. I think you already decided to stand by your power. Your person right now holding back their feelings, and they are right now concentrating on their career. Now you are going to make decision, because Judgment is here, because you are very committed, loyal in this connection. You are always there for your person. So it's up to you what decision you have to make, because depending upon your situation. So this is the reading for you, Libra. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.